Na for the first time since the year 2002, watu wa Mlima Kenya tulienda uchaguzi kama tumegawanyika. In the year 2002, tulipiga kura kwa kikapu moja, tukapigia rais mstaafu Mwai Kibaki. Mwaka wa 2007, tukapiga kura moja, debe moja, tukamrudisha rais mstaafu marehemu Mwai Kibaki. Mwaka wa 2013, watu ya Mlima Kenya tukaungana, tuamani, tukapiga kura sanduku moja, tukapigia rais mstaafu wa 4 Mheshimiwa Uhuru Kenyatta. Mwaka wa 2017, once more, tukaungana tena, tuamani, tukapiga kura moja kwa debe moja, tukamrudisha rais Uhuru Kenyatta. Mwaka wa 2022 tukawanyika. We were divided as a region. One faction led by President Uhuru Kenyatta ikasema itaenda kwa mzee yule Raila Odinga. Another faction iliongozwa na mimi, tukasema twende kwa Rais William Ruto. Tulipoenda kwa debe tukagawanyika. Watu ya Mlima Kenya, the majority wakanifuata. Tukapigia Rais William Ruto 87%. Nayo 13% wakafuata Rais Uhuru Kenyatta, wakapiga kura 13%, ikapotea na ile mzee ya kupotea. Sasa mimi nimeketishwa chini na wazee. Nimeketishwa chini na watu ya kanisa. Nimeketishwa chini na wale watu wamechaguliwa. Na wameniamrisha, na mimi ni mtu ya kusikia. Because I listen to the people. Mimi ni kiongozi ambaye anaheshimu maoni ya wananchi. Viongozi wote ya Mount Kenya region, viongozi wa dini, wafanyabiashara wameniambia, Bwana Deputy President, for now, you are the senior most leader in this region. This is what we want you to do. We don't want to go to any other election divided the way we were in 2022. Na wameniambia nitafute 13% ambaye ilikuwa imeenda pale, nilete yote to 100% behind President William Ruto, so that never again will this region be divided in voting for a president. Never again will this region be divided in pursuing our economic interest. Never again will this region be divided in pursuing our commercial interest. Na kwa hivyo wakaniambia uchaguzi umeisha, tafuta hii watu yote, na nimefurahi ndugu yangu, you have said the same. Wale wote walikuwa kwa Azimio, the election is over. President William Ruto is the president. This region wants to support President William Ruto for 10 years, and they would like to support him to be president in 2027 when they are united as a region. Na mimi nimekubali, and I have started that journey of uniting the Mount Kenya region behind President William Ruto. I don't know why many people have a problem when this region is united in purpose. Many people, for whatever reason, are very uncomfortable. But I'm sorry, there is nothing they can do. I'm sorry for their discomfort. When I said on Friday that I'm going to reach out to all leaders in Azimio and reach out to businessmen, reach out to everybody to unite the Mount Kenya region behind President William Ruto, I have seen a lot of narratives, a lot of interpretation, a lot of false conclusions by people who don't not like us to be united. And I don't understand, Mheshimiwa Linturi. 2 weeks ago, I saw our brothers and our friends in the Western Kenya region calling for unity of the region. I did not see the newspapers write headlines and reading mischief in that call for unity. I didn't see them trying to interpret what it means. But anytime we have called for the unity of this region. A lot of people cannot sleep. You have seen screaming headlines saying that there are problems because simply we have called for unity. But I want to tell them that is not my decision. It is the decision of the Mount Kenya region that has instructed me instructions that I will follow to the letter, to do whatever is within my power and ability to reach out to everybody and unite the Mount Kenya region behind President William Ruto. That I'll do. I'm equal to the task and I've already started. Nimesema watu wetu wale walipotea, hata ile Maoka Maure nitamtafuta, ile mtu mfupi nimtafute. Hata huyu Peter Munya si mtoto wetu, si mtoto wetu. This is no problem. Those who are willing to unite for this region, Peter Munya, I'll reach him out. Maoka Maure, I'll reach him out. The elections are over. There are no elections. Elections were fought and won and lost. President William Ruto is the president of Kenya. The other one is the leader of the opposition. So who voted here or there is no longer important. What is important is the unity of purpose of this region, so that we can support President William Ruto to a man, because he means well for this region. And that we shall do. So the detractors of this region, the people who wishes this region bad, you can continue doing your analysis. You can continue writing headlines every day. That will not distract me and the leadership of this region to work towards the unity of purpose for the benefit of the people of this region. Mungetaka niendelee kuunganisha mlima? Na mimi sina tashwishi ya kwamba kiongozi wetu Rais William Ruto anatutakia mema, ametuangalia vizuri, tuko na nafasi nzuri ya kupata maendeleo ya kutosha katika mlima Kenya, only when we are united behind him, so that come 2027 we won the last election with only 200,000 votes. If this mountain had been united, ile kura 600,000 ilipotea huko msituni kwa mzee ile ya kuzamia, ingekuwa yetu. The president would have won with a landslide of almost 800,000 votes. It is my intention, working with the leaders of this region, working with the business community, working with our elders, wazee wa Njuri Jeke, wazee wa Kiama Kiama, wazee wote, vijana, professionals. I want this region to deliver a decisive vote for President William Ruto in 2027, and to make sure that we increase our shareholding in his government from 47% to almost 60%. Many people are uncomfortable about our shareholding. Ni kidogo, is only 47. 27 tutaiongeza, itakuwa mingi zaidi.